Hello friends, this is Sagar from Education and I'm back with another great tutorial. In the last video we already set up very cool stuff like waypoints. We adding some waypoints and our dumb AI a little bit more smart than before, so he move into that points, and I just a little bit down his speed or by actually Unreal set default speed 600, max walk speed is 600. So what I'm doing, yeah, so here decrease his speed. Okay, so the old speed is 600 and I little bit change his speed to 50s. He's walking very fast, but I down his speed like this, so now he's very fast. But so you can just go into here and put some 300 is okay, because it's normal walk speed, so he can walk nicely. So into this video, a little bit I'll tell you what's going on into this video. Actually we will implementing some kind of animation, so and we make from scratch, not copy stuff. A little bit thing we just copy like blend space, because this AI use the same mesh as the mesh, which is our main character mesh, so we can easily use this blend spaces. So we can use this, we can use this also, but we can't use his anim graph. So we will going to create his anim graph and set up this all, and we will set up his weapon also into his back. So he, whenever you shoot him, he just grab his weapon from the back and he start to follow you and shoot you back. Okay, so maybe this video takes a little bit time, or maybe this video go long. So what I do is I will split this into two parts. So if this videos go long around 20 or 25 minutes, more than 25 minutes, so I'll pause this video and carry on to this part. Okay, so hope you understand. So let's jump into tutorial. No more talks, do work. Okay, let's start. So first of all we need one anim graph. Quickly create one. Choose your skeleton, characters, AI skeleton. So right now we have same SG skeleton and use this anim instance. Okay, just okay, name it AI AI anim graph. Okay, save it and just quickly go over here, Control C, copy this to blend space and paste it over here. So right now you just need to change name, so a little bit change name AI, make a little bit put some underscore, save it, same over here, AI underscore. So we understand this is for AI, so save everything and open this. So we need first to create a state machine, and I know you all know this because this is a basic thing, so you can follow or you can just follow when you need, but I just create everything from the scratch. Okay, locomotion, and put this right over here because we need montages and we need to pass a slot over here, so we create this, make some room, and here we need search our idle walk run and our rifle combat. So both you can just drag and drop, and so here we need a speed, so right click, promote this to variable speed, we feed speed. So here we need this speed and direction, so just right click and promote this to variable direction. Okay, compile, save, and so we need a transition. So whenever he equip his weapon, I promote this a variable, so equip weapon. Whenever he equip his weapon, he go into rifle combat mode. So, and not when he unequip, he will back to his normal state, idle walk run or idling kind of state. So go get back into the main, here event graph. So you need just cast to your AI master VP, and here you can promote this into reference. So AI ref, so what we need is speed, and we need directions, and we need this weapon equip also. So where did that thing come from? Into here we just simply get velocity, type this velocity, this is the actor velocity, and we need a length, vector length. So get length, you can call length len, so it will automatically give you this vector length. So here you need just drag and put this is your speed. So now we get a speed. So now we only want two things left, direction. So we need a direction. How can we calculate direction? So right click, calculate, so it will give you this animation, into animation, calculate direction. So just drag it over here. So get velocity, so we need to feed two nodes. So this is going here, and we need a base rotation. So it come from, you take this reference, or you can just pull it over, but it's little bit cleaner. So get actor rotation, where is that? Get actor rotation. Okay, just plug this and little bit clean or straighting things. Okay, after this is the return node, this is the direction. So you just put it over here. Okay, like this, it will automatically set. So we got this direction. So we need one thing called equip weapon. Okay, so how can get this? So right now we need to create one equip into here, into our character, AI character. Just duplicate this, name it equip weapon. Okay, compile, save. So now we can call this from here equip. Actually, you think why my speed is so slow in typing? Because I don't use I'm not spending time with keyboard. My typing is really so bad. So that's why I'm my type is so slow. So sorry for that. You can just put like this, okay. So we get 3 and we feed them. So now into here this will nothing showing up because we don't plug it anything into final result. So what we going to do is just make a cache. Cache is a kind of cache. Cache is a kind of copy of this thing. So like you can't copy control C control V locomotion state machine because it's wrong thing. It will give you the, but we just save this as a cache. So you can use this loco cache, you can use this a cache, and you can put this into anywhere. So here you need a cache, this cache, use cache, pose loco cache, this we use over here. So we need to pass this into a slot. So because whenever we create some montages, it will pass through this slot. So here we choose upper slot. Okay, if you think where this upper slot come, because we already create everything into for this guy, so it use this mesh, same mesh, SG mesh, and our AI also use SG mesh, so it will automatically give you that slots also if you using same kind of meshes. So here you can just save this as new cache. Okay, new cache. Okay, name it montage cache. So here we need layer blend for bone, this one, a little bit, make some room, and untick this front end, so we don't need this blend. Okay, after this we need one bone, name it spine 01. I know you don't know, but if you knew, you just copy this bone. So we need to blend upper portion, upper body, so we need to blend layer blend per bone, so this will blend you from bottom to high. So we just only use his upper body, so that's why we using this slot. So you mesh space, you just need to rotation, you just need to take this. Okay, just save, and now you just copy this, control C control V, put it over here, and here you need this montage cache which we want to blending. So your montage pass this slot and it will save on to this cache, so you can use montage cache. So now when you compile, he's doing like this idle state, so everything is fine. So everything is here fine, and here you can call one thing, because as you know that we just using its same mesh, so we can use animation or montage which already we create for this person, your main character person. So what we are going to do is just we use this equipment, rifle equipment thing. So into here into AI anim brush, you can just call this notify, because you use his same mesh, so you easily can call that notify. Name it I think equip unequip, yeah, this one, equip unequip. So we can call this easily. So if you think where this come, if you are new to watch this video, so you need to follow my other tutorial, then you know where this come from, because here I made it equip and unequip. So this is the anim montage. You just need to put one, notification when you're here, when you're press L to rotate your light like this. So here your hand, and when you reach and it grab the weapon, you need to put notify. So we can use this notify into here. So here we need notify, oh sorry, here we need to something. Whenever this notify fires, we need to call something. So right now we don't make anything into this, so into here we need some custom event called equip slash unequip equip. Okay, you just need to flop, use flip and flop. So okay, and here you can quickly select your AI anim graph which we create. So now he's doing something. So if you want to check, when you see this, now he's walking fine and it's look good. You will stay there, and after this you will go to the second waypoint. So okay, quickly go over here and copy this. Again we need us spawn default weapon, or whatever you want to name you can give, but I just simply put random names. Okay, so here we need if you remember, I create this weapon mesh. This is not necessary, but you can just delete this if you want. I just tell you different thing. We don't need this weapon mesh. Delete this and just simply use any you just simply use sphere collision and put this like 5 is okay, and leave like here, or just you can just make change the position a little bit back. So and you just need to parent this with mesh. So here you need to select a back socket, and if you think again, where is this back come, I already told you a lot of time, this is the same mesh. So we already set up everything into this mesh. He has different back 1 slot and back 2 slot, sorry, back and back 1 slot. So for like this this is our same mesh. When we keep it is going to back 1, so he's using same mesh. So this socket already we got free, so we don't need to create every time socket. So yeah, put it over here. When you parent this into here, you just need to select for an example, if you select none, you just going over here, you select the back, and it will automatically go. If it is not going to same, maybe it's just like this, maybe some values over here, and like this, or I don't know, for like this. So you just need to reset everything, so it will automatically go jump over there. So we use this as a location, not any weapon mesh. So right click, we just put it over here and get world transform. Okay, and here we need a spawn actor from all class, and we need this, put it over here, and here we need a class. So promote this to variable weapon class. Okay, and first you need to delete this, and over here just select this, and over here you need to change master pickup. So this you can choose this as a class, master pickup class. So when you compile, you will get, you can select any kind of, you if you want to give your AI snapper, you can select over here. So it is easy to change according to your AI. So just put like this, and always make class to your main weapon class, because if you select only class, you can't use after this reader note. I will show you. So just put it over here, and so after this we can easily promote this into variable and name it weapon BP. Okay, so we use this into changing our weapon, or dropping our weapon, or equip and unequip functionality. We use this as a reference. So after this we need to attach web, just close attach to component. So after this we need a mesh. Don't forget parent to mesh, otherwise your this weapon is not a stick with your character. So here you need a socket name. If you forget, you can look, but I remember back, so, and you can just use world location, key for location. Okay, so right now everything is okay, but we need to call this. So we in the event begin play, we just call this spawn default weapon. Okay, so if you want to see, I'll show you. Okay, he don't get that weapon. Something really weird happen. And what is this? Back socket. What he give? Why he give there? Maybe back socket is wrong. I'm not sure. Again, we need to see what he talking about. Event graph, AVI description, access trying to weapon BP. Okay, just put like this, target. No. Default spawn. Okay, just change this into relative. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. No, wait a second, what's going on? Okay, just what is this? Master BP. You need to select this first. It will okay, but why it's not sticking over here? Okay, let me change it again, because keyword location is perfect. I don't know why it's not working, but we will see. Yes, he's sticking now. Actually, I forget this to set this. It is none, so that's why it give you error. So keep world position, and of course you just need to make like this also. sometime debugging needs. Okay, so when you do this, when you finish this, your player get gone into back. So one thing we need, one thing I'll show, one problem, because we use same same guns, same guns for our AI and our player. So what going happen, whenever you close this weapon, you can easily pick his weapon from his back and you can shoot him. Okay, so this is a a bug, or you can, or you need to off your things, off your overlap kind of thing into this master pickup. You need to make this kind of variable which I created over here, destroy sphere. So just you can just custom event and put this sphere into destroy component, and this is your sphere, this is your sphere. When you overlap, then your everything is working over here. So you just need to drag and drop and just destroy component. So call this, so we need to call this whenever our AI pick equip that gun. Okay, whenever he spawn on the wall, you need to just delete this that uh, so you can call destroy sphere. So now you can see, now he don't he don't pick that gun. Okay, so this will solve your problem. So after this, what we are going to do, yeah, we are on this, so we need just copy this, control C control V over here, put it like this, and here we need a target, so this is your gun, and copy this again. Whenever you call this, it will first equip gun. So here you need to change socket name. I think I need to check what's the socket name, so you can click this, and you can just, whenever you parent anything, you can check the sockets also. So this is a gun hold, very bad name. Gun hold. So just over here, gun hold. Okay, so everything is same, so you just need to change a socket like this. So and one thing we need, one more thing, and that is one control C control V. Whenever you need to call this whenever you uh, uh, in combat mode. So what you are going to do is over here, enable combat, enable combat. So here you need a montage play montage. Okay, so like this. So here you need that montage. You can check this by right, this is montage. So we just call this whenever we are on combat mode. So how can we fire this, and after this will fire this. Okay, so how, so you just go into your controller, your AI controller, and into over here. When you find enemy, you just make some room and press S. It give you a sequence, so you just put it like this, and after this we need a do once. Do once, because as you know that it will continuously firing, or from here 0 0.3 second. So your player, if your player is go far, it will automatically go there, because we need to fire this again and again. It will check your distance and your direction and everything. So here we need one thing, do once, because we only want to equip weapon once, so we just call this only one. So here we need enable, not this enable combat, this one, enable combat. You can see over here, enable combat. So put like this. So now we just check this. Maybe some bugs we find. So when I shoot him, he stay, and I shoot him, now he equip his gun. Did you see? But he is not, get that gun. So why it's not happening? Because of course we forget over here. We just need to call which function? We just need to call this equip and unequip function into here. Equip unequip function. Okay, after that we need to change this equip function into bool into here. So what we going to do is just drag and drop, control C control V. So here is false and here is true. Whenever gun on your hand, it is equipped. So now, so let's check now. I shoot him and he's okay, his rotation is wrong into his hand. You just need to change it, relatives over here. Over into this, you need to change this relative whenever your weapon on hand. So check it again. So now he get perfectly. Okay, now he is following you continuously, but there is one issue. When you shoot him, he's died, but he didn't stop, because this is kind of a function. Where is that? This is a kind of a function. Whenever it fired this, it will always fire inside this, and when it success, then it's a stop. So I give you the this radius 300. Whenever he reach 300 radius, then he will stop. I show you. Otherwise he don't stop if you can't do anything. So there is one trick. If I shoot him on the head, he is dead, and I run far away and he's trying to chase me and he's dead. But when he reached there 300 radius, and now he stopped, and now he's not following you. So how to fix this? So you can simply this is the controller, so you can simply use this node, is stop movement. This is the into a navigation. So when you type stop, it will give you the stop movement, so it will solve your problem. When I shoot him, he come, and when I shoot him on head, he is dead. So he's immediately stop. So that's why controller is very useful, because it control your AI. So always use this. Always make controller for your character and your for your AI. And here we need one thing. It's not look so good when you shoot in on head and he stay over there. So what we are going to do, we just make one fun thing. So just grab this and just grab this mesh. So here we need to set all bodies simulate physics, and this is true. Okay. And whenever you do this, you just need to check your collision properties properly. And here I set it custom collision enable and block everything except a pawn, so ignore pawn. If you want to block, you can block it, so you can block your character, so your player can't, you can kick him basically. So and over you can use this collision, capsule collision, set enable set collision enable. Okay, so here you need to know collision. So now you can see the magic. So now when you shoot him, he's falling down like ragdoll. Oh man, he's a really poor guy. And did you see this? So now I can kick him. Go away, oh you bad guy. So what we need to switch off this, hood. So go over here, just take this widget and set visibility, off. Set visibility off. So now I think videos go really long, but yeah, we finish everything. He's just using his weapon and he go into combat mode and you can shoot him on head. Oh man, oh poor guy. So it's look really amazing. So you can shoot him and he's really Unreal that ragdoll is very nicely, it looks real, very realistic ragdoll set by Unreal. So thumbs up to them and thumbs up to me also. I really invest a lot of time to make tutorials, friends, so please like and share, subscribe my videos. So we will continue this and make this AI more smarter. So we will add aiming functionality and he will shoot us, and if we go far he will run and chase us, not like he just simply aiming us. He will quickly follow us and then shoot us down, kind of thing. Like he's very slow, we can just go far, run far. So right now he's doing amazing. So okay, thank you guys, and remember, like my FB page also, you can join with me FB page. So okay, bye guys, see you, bye bye, peace.